sound of music. With songs we have sung for 1,000 years. It's Purim time, so let's get creative. The Broadway melodies fill my ears. Imagine it's summertime with Porgy and Bess, and we'll fiddle on the roof. We'll go to Hernando's hideaway, dream of food, glorious food. No need to cry, Argentina, we've got Evita's song too. We'll all sing along because it's so much fun to do. So plan to be here at Suburban Temple. Shabbat with friends, we'll be online too. Come fill your Shabbat with the joy of music. March 18th, we'll